About SYS4SOCCER Files and Folders. When you install SYS4SOCCER, the system will create folders and files on your machine. To understand what files and folders are created, you can do the following. Right-click over the SYS4SOCCER icon, select Properties, and then click Open File Location. If you do not have the icon on the desktop, go to the Computer, C Drive, Program Files, and then the SYS4SOCCER folder. The file SYS4SOCCER is the application file. It allows the program to be executed. This file is the program's icon. These two files are the files needed to uninstall the software. Then, you can see here some folders created by the program. On the config folder, the application saves some configuration files. Path contains information about the folder location of the program. It will be created here another file, named reginfo. That file saves information about the activation process. On the data folder, you will find the program's databases. Furthermore, you will find the tactics file and the tactics indoor file. Those two files contain information about tactical formations. The drills database saves the drills you can use on your training sessions. The general database saves general information about the program. And the players database will be used to save players' profiles. The teams folder contains the team file. This file is the base for the creation of other teams. When you create a new team, SYS4SOCCER will create a new database. That file will be placed here among other files with some configurations. The docs folder is used to store documents attached to the player's profiles. The export and import folders are used to export and import drills between computers. The language folder contains the corresponding language files used by the program. Finally, the images folder. Inside this folder, there are other folders. The editor folder contains image material for the illustration editor. The illustrations folder is where the program will store the illustrations created by the user. And the editable folder is where editable illustrations will be stored. The interface folder contains all the folders and files used by SYS4SOCCER to create his layout. The logo and printer logo folders will contain the logos from the teams. They will be used on the layout and for printing reports. The photos folder is the folder you will use to place all the players' photos. Finally, the videos folder is not yet used by SYS4SOCCER. And this is how SYS4SOCCER is organized, related to files and folders on your computer.